YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to add annotations in the Figma, add command and the design notes to the frame. So guys, if you want to get some command, if you want to put some command on the design with annotation, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you select your frame. After guys, here you see there is the option of command. Even you press C, so you also enable it, and you just select where you put the command, like remove this dotted. So I'm just put here, and here I simply enter remove these dots. Okay, now I'm simply send it. Now guys, here you see this is my prototype, and here is my this is my showing. And also if you want to get the notify, so you just go. And guys, also if you want to delete it, so you just go here, click here and add it for the editing. If you want to add the image, if you want to add and mention someone, and if you want to add emojis. Okay, so if you want to delete, so you just simply click on there, mark as unread, copy link, delete thread. So this is the way that you can do for annotation. And guys, thank you for have a nice day.